So, hi, good morning. This stream is to tell how to plot a chart on Tableau Desktop. I have made a quick short note on for any beginners on how to use Tableau. So, the first step is to download a version of Tableau Desktop, install it on your computer. It's a 14-day trial. Once you have it installed on your computer, read in the data source. In my case, the data comes from Director General of Civil Aviation. It is the air transport statistics. So I've collected data from every month of air traffic for a few years. And once you have this data, um, you can read it into Tableau by going into File, Open, and then select the kind of file you're looking into, um, CSV or an Excel sheet or something. And then once you have this in Tableau, making a chart like this is pretty easy. I'll show it to you how. So uh, try by playing around. So uh, put drag month here, year here, percentage contribution over here. It doesn't show much value here. So try to flip it around and see if it shows something or doesn't. Um, make sum into average so that it shows um, any cancellation reasons, show any kind of trend or something. If they don't, then you play around with different kind of visualizations. So in my case, I used pie chart because I wanted to show how the cancellation reasons change or by month. So this is the reason chart. If you drag it here, you would see like commercial reasons, miscellaneous reasons, operational reasons, and these are the months. Um, Again, there are multiple visualizations to look at it. So for the one which I found the best was to use a pie chart, and instead of putting the reason over here, I put the reason as color. Whenever I put it here, you can see that each reason is now uh, pretty easily visible. So the next effort could be to put the percentages here so that you can see the percentages. You may also want to put the reason here so that you can see the reason and percentages. Let me make it a bit larger. So once you do that, you would have a cornucopia of pie charts. Then you do some kind of formatting, some cleaning up. You can make the sheet look a bit better. Go to format, make it classic if you want to, or make it modern if you want to. Whatever, you can play around with all the stuff. And so that's how you make a sheet like this, right? And how do you make a sheet like weather? You just put a weather in the filter here. So in this sheet, um, if you duplicate it and then you put reason into filter and select none and then only weather here, you will get the chart. So put it on the filter, only select one filter. So put weather here, again duplicate it. If you want something else, say technical here, select technical and do apply and put it here. So you will see this. So all these are basically filters. Just to see it different. The only chart, main chart is this one, and the others are all filters. So that's how you make a Tableau chart. Once you have made it, you can of course save it on your computer. So use Tableau workbook if you want to. If you don't want to keep the data along with the worksheet, or the packaged workbook if you want to integrate data along with the dashboards, whichever choice, and then you save it on a folder. If you want the data set to be available to other people online, and if you want the sheet to be shared, click on server, go to Tableau Public and select save to Tableau Public here. Once you click it, it will ask you to log in and do all kind of stuff here. So a prompt would open like this. Create an account, put an email and password, and you can push it to a Tableau Public server, which looks like this. Once it's published, then you can share this link to other folks. Watch it. I hope this was useful for you. And this is the Tableau session, few steps on the Word file. I'll try to convert it into PDF and I'll share it with the video. Thank you so much.